Most of the people subscribe to me for my van content have 40 Econolines. Who has a GM van? I know who lifts GM vans. Boulder off-road. This is why you want to lift your Econoline. You look awesome, even next to a F650. I have a feeling this thing is super nice inside. You know what will make your van more Sportsmobile-like? A side ladder. $16,850 for a Sportsmobile 4x4 van. I never got a chance to make a video about this van because it sold right away. And unfortunately, I didn't save the interior pictures of this build. But you know what this van was? It was an action van suspension, two-wheel drive lifted van. The guy just put Sportsmobile 4x4 on it. Not gonna lie though, I like that decal a lot. I'm tempted to put one on my van now that I have that side ladder. Video of the side ladder install tomorrow. This reminds me of when someone buys a V6 Mustang and they put a Cobra emblem on it. It's been a while since I've shared a GM van for sale, so here's a nice one to share. 2007, 25,000 miles, 70,000 miles on this van. It needs a lift kit. Someone buy this van and take it to Boulder off-road to get it lifted. It's not a Sportsmobile, but that ladder, it's the ladder, makes it look official. This van, lightweight build, was performed last year by Cremona Vans. There's so many outfitters, but I wonder if that's an official Sportsmobile pop top and if that's an official Aluminez ladder. Sportsmobile uses Aluminez ladders. Good looking van. Good looking interior. Very simple build. Lightweight according to the ad. Wish I knew what engine was in this though. Hopefully the 6.0. So there you go. A nice GM van for sale, only 70,000 miles. Looks good. Sportsmobile, $75,000. Check it out. Hey, there's the decal. I want one. I got a ladder just like him now. Nice. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at it. $75,000 is a lot of money. And that's why most of us are budget sportsmobiling. I call this hobby budget sportsmobiling. No tent needed, just sleep in your van. Lifted two-wheel drive instead of four-wheel drive. This van build is about $20,000. It has an aux locker. You know what will make your van more Sportsmobile-like? A side ladder. Aluminez style side ladder, $350 instead of $700. I will post the Instagram account that sells it right here.